Friends, in last video I explained the derivation of this formula through vertical method. In this video I will explain its derivation through horizontal method. So let's start its derivation through horizontal method. We know that a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. First we will multiply this a with this a and b. Multiplying a with a become a square. Now multiply a with b, so it will become plus ab. Now we will multiply this b with this a and b. Multiplying b with a will become plus ab. Multiplying b with b will become plus b square. Now we will add ab with ab because these are same terms. ab plus ab become 2ab. In this way, we prove the formula through horizontal method. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.